Y'all know nothing about this redneck grilling right here, boy. See, when you ain't got a grill, you make do. As rednecks, we can make anything out of anything, man. We're like the MacGyvers of the fucking United States, man, down here in the South, man. Check this shit out. Y'all know nothing about this right here. That's right. That's my top. That's some chicken. Let me cooking chicken. Y'all don't know nothing about that right there, boy. Y'all don't know nothing about that. Y'all also don't know nothing about this right here. This shit right here. Oh my God. Man, I will beat the Pope with the fucking first verse of the Bible for this shit right here, man. You gotta get the low sodium kind, because if not, it's fucking salty. So, that's how we roll. Tell me what you think.